Okay everyone, in today's video we'll be reviewing a DeWalt drill driver combo. This is a 20 volt max lithium ion battery set, and there is a driver as well as a drill in this package. Now we're actually going to open it up. Alrighty, here's a DeWalt bag. Let's open that up now. Fantastic. First thing you see on the top is a DeWalt DCB 107 12 volt / 20 volt max lithium ion battery charger. It's got indication on it showing you what is going to appear here depending on where the battery is. So got a cord with it. Okay, keep that on the side. Next we'll take out a DeWalt battery, 20 volt max / lithium ion DeWalt. It's pretty light actually. Next we have another battery that comes with the pack, 20 volts max lithium ion, again DeWalt. Same thing as before, very light. Alrighty, now let's see what this is. Okay, so this one is a DeWalt 20 volt drill. It's got 15 speed settings. Now the model number is DCD771, 1/2 inch or 13mm cordless drill driver. Very light. Let's see if the batteries are charged. Yes, they are. And then it has the light too at the bottom. Very powerful. Okay, now let's try the impact driver, my favorite tool. Again, this is a DCF 885 1/4 of an inch or 6mm cordless impact driver, 20 volt max. Let's see if this battery's charged as well. Wow. Wow. It's so light, but the moment you press the trigger, it just gives it wants to take your wrist with it. It's so powerful. Watch this. It gives you a bit of a shake of a wrist. That's 3 lights, LED. Fantastic tool. Let's keep that on the side. Now let's take a look at what else we have inside. Alright, this is the instruction manual. Keep that aside. Alright. What's that? Oh, just a piece of paper. The bottom. This. Oh, silica gel. Do not eat, throw it away. Makes sense. That's about it. Excuse me, in the box, or actually in the bag. There's a bit of a pouch on the side, maybe to keep your drill bits. Pouch on this side. Looks very robust bag. It has these little lines at the bottom. the plastic thing, so you can, you know, stand it up, put it anywhere you like. Alrighty, now let's take a look at some drill bits, which I had to buy separately. It doesn't come with a pack. So I bought this box of drill bits. Alrighty, excuse me. Now it has, it comes with, I think it's 20 pieces, something like that. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 23, yeah, 23 or so. Then it has a very interesting item here. This is a magnet. It holds the screw. See if I can take it out. Yeah. This actually converts the actual bit into magnet that holds the screw. It goes in. And this one attaches. Very easy to install. One hand hold, and then just put this on. That's it. That's it. Ready to go. Powerful. Very powerful. The other thing I bought along with this box here is basically like a, I don't know what you call it. This is like a angle driver attachment, or a right angle attachment. How this works is, take it out, put this one in. Alrighty, and then you attach the drill bit at the end of that one. There you go, and pretty much move it anywhere you like. So let's say we're in a position where, you know, drilling from front is not possible, so you basically put the use the angle attachment like that and just drill away. Yeah, very, very good tool. I really like this one, especially working in tight spaces. So yeah, here we go. That is all I have in this video. Thanks for watching.